been a couple of weeks since we returned from Denmark for a little vacation back home for a week. And at a family gathering, my niece gave me this drawing, which, as you can see, is quite the masterpiece. I'm very happy. They watch all my videos, and for that only reason, that's one of the reasons that keeps me going with this YouTube thing. And my brother told me that they watch all my videos, and he also told me this sweet little story that my niece made this beautiful drawing for Stina and I because she didn't want us to forget her. That just makes my heart so warm, and I love that they're watching these videos. So now I'm dedicating a full video because I also promised her that I would have this drawing in one of the videos. So now I want to make a frame for this nice art piece that my niece made me, because I appreciate it so much. It's so beautiful that I can actually have a relationship to my nieces, even though I live in another country 2,000 kilometers away. Because it's one of the big things of moving away from all your friends and all your family is the fact that you don't get to see them that often. So that's actually quite tough sometimes living in another country. But it's things like these that keeps our dream going. It's beautiful that I really love that I have a relationship to my sweet little nieces, even though I live in another country. And we have always have something to talk about once we see each other back home, which is very beautiful. So I'm making a frame for a beautiful picture. Of course the frame is gonna be made from bamboo. Obviously, you know me. It's finished. I hope you like it. I hope she likes it, my niece. Unfortunately, it cut a part of the sun off and the grass, but she's still in the picture, and the beautiful rainbow is. This is gonna look very nice on the wall. And maybe I'll feature it in even more videos. Maybe that's my way of getting my niece into bonsai. Who knows? Just have it on the wall all the time.